How to take photo in Pro Mode in Samsung. First, open the Camera app on your phone. After that, swipe left or right on the camera modes at the bottom until you find the option called More. Tap on it and then select Pro Mode from the list. Now Pro Mode will open and you will see manual controls on the screen like ISO, shutter speed, white balance, focus, and exposure. You can adjust these settings according to your photo needs. For example, increase ISO in low light or reduce shutter speed for clearer night shots. Once you have set everything, point your camera at the subject and tap the shutter button to take the photo. You can also adjust focus manually by sliding the focus bar if needed. After taking the photo, it will be saved automatically in your gallery. That's it. Now you can take professional-style photos using Pro Mode on your Galaxy Note 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.